Last month, I made over $4,300 by shopping on Amazon. Let me show you how. All right, so I'm sure you are super skeptical and are probably thinking, yeah, right, you're not making $4,300 by shopping on Amazon. And the answer is I actually am. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how in today's video on how I do product research for what's called the Amazon Influencer Program. For those that aren't familiar with this program, it's a program that Amazon has where you can make 60-second review videos of products that are sold or bought on Amazon. You post them to your Amazon storefront, and if somebody watches that video and buys the product, you make a commission. And this is the exact program that I've used to make $4,300 profit. And that does not include the brand deals and the free products that I'm getting sent to my house. So let's dive into my screen and actually show you the steps on how you can do this yourself. So to get started, go to Google and search Amazon Influencer Program, and you're going to click on that first link and hit sign up. Now, before you freak out about the word influencer and say, well, Trevin, I'm not an influencer, I can't do this. Don't worry, you're not going to be your typical Kim Kardashian influencer. To be honest, you're going to be quite the opposite. People just like you and me, everyday normal people, are doing this. So go sign up. There's two parts to this process. There's what's becoming eligible for your storefront, and then there's getting what's called on-site placements. If you do this wrong, you will not make money and you will fail. So go get the accounts. And if you guys need help, we have some resources in the link down below, but we're not going to go over that in today's video. Instead, I want to focus on product research and using your time extremely efficiently and finding the best products to review. So once you're an Amazon influencer, you want to change your mindset a little bit. You don't want to be just a shopper. You want to be an Amazon influencer shopper, which I will show you exactly what I mean by this. So what you guys need to understand is how people get paid as an Amazon influencer. So this is a true story. I need to buy a nightstand organizer, and I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to look at products and I'm going to be like, okay, this is good, this one's bad. I'm just kind of doing normal shopping behavior. So I click on this and I'm like, okay, these clear plastic drawer organizers are great. I see that they come in a ton of them. There's 25 trays, 4 different sizes. I'm like, well, I still want some more information. So I'm going to click on this video tab, and this is where Amazon influencer videos actually pop up. So if we see right here, related videos, these are videos of Amazon influencers. So this girl right here made a 2-minute video talking about this product. Her name's Amy. So if I click on this and if I watch this video and then I buy the product, then she is going to get a commission. And that is how an Amazon influencer gets paid. So the strategy is, how can I find products that are selling super high, but have open spots on what's called this top carousel. So this top carousel has normally 6 spots. It sometimes changes, but for the most part, it's 6 spots. And so right here, you can see that it's pretty chock full. And so if I'm going to be buying this product, I want to find one that has high sales volume and that has top carousel opportunity. And that's what we're going to do. So we're going to come back to the search bar on Amazon. And again, I'm just going to search for nightstand organizer. And what I'm going to do is use a tool called Viral View. This is a game changer. This is going to get rid of the manual work, and you're going to click one button, this Chrome extension, and it's going to categorize it and show you what has the most opportunity to review. So go get Viral View, install it on your Chrome browser. You're going to click right here and click on Product View, and this is where it's going to pull all of the data and organize it in a way that's going to allow you to make the best decision on what product you should be buying. So again, if you're going to be fronting your hard-earned money on a product that you already need, you might as well find a product that has the most opportunity to review. And so right here, you'll see that on this left-hand side is what's called the viral score. So this takes into consideration the top carousel, the sales revenue, and the commissions, and the reviews, and it basically spits out a number. The higher the number, the better. And the green numbers are going to be the best. And then as you scroll down, we've got the orange. And then at the very bottom, you can see that we've got the red numbers. And those ones are just ones that you probably don't want to review because they just don't have the opportunity. You can categorize this from largest to smallest. You can also categorize the 30-day revenue from largest to smallest or whatever. But as you can see, we've got some good options, the ones in the green, of products that, hey, these catch my attention. And this one, to be honest, like I like this one. I also really like this one, this Neotopa for 40 bucks. It's doing 56K per month. and there's a massive hole in the top carousel. So if I click on this, you're going to see that there's only one video, and the video is of the seller. And so this is a product that I want to buy. And if this fits what I'm already going to be buying, well, I better buy this one because it has a ton of opportunity to capitalize and become that first spot in the top carousel. And I could make multiple videos and have 3 videos on that top carousel and just dominate. And so every time somebody watches my video and buys the product, I'm going to get a commission. So again, this viral score is an 84. It's got good revenue. You can see the top carousel. So what this is the 1 is the brand video, and then the 0 is there's no influencer videos. So that's fantastic. And so this is a product that has good reviews and it checks off all of my boxes. And so I'm actually going to be purchasing this product to review. And so that is the strategy and how to go about finding the best products to review by using Viral View and their Product View Chrome extension. And it's just a game changer. So I'm going to also buy a cordless vacuum. So I'm going to do the same exact process with a cordless vacuum. I'm going to search for it. And again, if I'm going to spend my hard-earned money, I might as well buy a vacuum that has the most opportunity. And what I've seen is by following this strategy, you can actually buy a product, review it, and just from the commissions, this product becomes free. And you'll end up making money month after month, month after month, especially by doing this research strategy because there's not as much competition and you're taking advantage of that top carousel. You're dominating it. And so right here, here's a good one. It's viral score of 73, max 1 shop. It's doing 160K a month. It does have quite a bit on that top carousel. So I'm going to see if I can find another one. I'm just going to type in cordless vacuum cleaner and see if I can find another one that has more potential than that. And if there's one that doesn't show up, you're just going to kind of go and search a different keyword or try to find something different. Right here, the viral score 37. So I'm going to sort this from largest to smallest. And as you can see, we've got one with an 89 viral score. So the top carousel is super open. This seller is crushing it. They're doing a ton in revenue. So this is a product that I'm going to want to buy instead of coming down and just clicking on this one that has a terrible viral score. So again, if you're going to be spending money and shopping on Amazon anyways, then you might as well use this extension to help you find the absolute best products. So this is a fantastic strategy to review products that are going to have the most potential. And again, as an Amazon influencer, we want to take our time and use it as efficiently as possible. And this tool is going to allow you to do that. And this Chrome extension has a ton of cool features. It also has the drop downs underneath each individual product. You can also come right here and you can link your storefront. You can click on here and it just has some super cool features, and they're coming out with a ton of new features constantly. So Viral View, link down below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys go and get signed up as an Amazon influencer. And if you guys struggle with the process or need help getting approved, I'll put the link down below with the case study, and we have helped close to 200 individuals get approved with this process, and I want to help you. So click the link down below, and I appreciate you guys watching, supporting the channel. Drop a comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.